guys, so I want to talk to you guys about one of the best credit cards that's actually secured. It's great if you guys are looking to build your credit, and it's with Bank of America. So you guys are definitely building a relationship where you guys will be able to get approved for higher limit credit cards and get approved for other accounts. Now, this credit card is really great because you guys are not going to pay an annual fee. I know you guys that's looking to get a secure credit card, you don't want to pay an annual fee. At least I wouldn't even want you to pay an annual fee, and you guys want to see if you can get your money back where it will actually graduate to an unsecured credit card, and this one can actually graduate. It does not necessarily have like a timeline for graduation, but it can possibly graduate for you guys if you follow the steps I'm going to tell you guys. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rakita. I talk about real estate, I talk about credit, I talk about how you can actually get approved for more credit cards and how you can boost your credit score so that if you want to get a house, you want to get a car, whatever you want to get, you're able to go ahead and get it, and you don't have to get into the repair mode or the fix mode. You know that you guys will actually be able to get approved for these accounts, hopefully. Now, with the secure credit card I'm talking to you guys about, there's always other credit cards that secure just like it, that I think that you guys may like better. So if I think that you guys may like other credit cards, I may just tell you guys about those credit cards. Definitely do your research on all the credit cards I talked to you guys about, and check out my blog too, because each of the credit cards I talked to you guys about, I always tell you 3 other credit cards that's just like it to me, that's very similar, that you guys can possibly get approved for. But let's get into this video fully on this credit card. Now, it's with Bank of America. So it's the Bank of America secure credit card. Now, with this one, it's secure, no annual fee at all, and it's great for those people that's looking to build their credit. You guys will have to put a deposit down. Your deposit will have to be between $200 and $5,000. And two, when you guys put this deposit down, you want to get your deposit back. So I always tell people to make sure that they're doing everything they can to continue to pay their bills on time, pay down their other credit cards, make sure you don't have new negative accounts on your credit reports. And if you had old negative accounts and that's the reason why you got the secure one, you may want to work to remove those accounts. Now, they're saying that they're going to keep checking your credit periodically, and they're going to review it, and they're going to review your account, review your relationship with them, look at your other accounts that you may have with them, and then decide if they want to give you your money back. They don't have like a set period on like, oh yeah, if you have this account for 7 months, do this, do that, I'm going to give your money back. They don't have that. Now, for that reason, I kind of always tell people you might want to look into the Discover Secure credit card, because you guys will get cash back with that one. This one don't have any cash back for you all. So I always tell people try to get the Discover one, because I know that one for sure. I see a lot of people get that one to actually graduate. They just make sure they pay their bills on time. You can put down about the same amount. I think you put down up to $2,500 on that one, but I see that one graduating in 7 months, where you guys will be able to get your money back, and they will actually increase your limit. So definitely look into that Discover Secure credit card. But if you still decide you want to build that relationship with Bank of America, just make sure that you're paying your bills on time. Any negative accounts that you did have on your credit reports, you want to make sure you guys are removing those and making sure that new accounts do not get added to your credit reports. Now, they're saying that they're going to give you access on a monthly basis for free to your FICO score. So I really like that. I also like that you guys can do a balance transfer for this credit card if you want to, but there is going to be a balance transfer fee of 3%. I don't see why you would want to do a balance transfer for this credit card. Maybe you want to do a balance transfer on another credit card where you're going to get the 0% intro APR. Now, I did do a few reviews on the other Bank of America credit cards where you guys will be able to do a balance transfer on those, and they have 0% APR. So definitely check out the other videos on Bank of America, because it'll be perfect. With this one, you got to pay 24% in interest. It's no point of doing a balance transfer with this one, but they do have one where they're going to charge you a minimum of $10, but 3% of whatever you're transferring over. And don't forget, you're not getting charged with a annual fee on this credit card. So it's great if you guys want it. Now, they do have different things like the contactless chip technology for those people that don't want to actually put their card in anywhere. You want to actually tap it. You guys will also have access to the paperless statement, which a lot of credit cards have that option. You guys just want to make sure that when you set up the paperless statements, make sure you already have your credit cards where they're taking that minimum payment out of your account. I would hate for you guys to set up the paperless statements and you're not used to not receiving a statement, so you forget to pay your credit cards, because that's going to really mess you guys up. I remember when I first got into credit and started having credit cards, it was to the point where it was hard for me to even understand, like, okay, this is your due date, this is the statement date, and then this is the date you should use your credit card to make sure that you don't have a high balance report. And it was hard for me to figure that out, so I couldn't imagine you guys setting up paperless statements and you guys don't have auto pay set up already on that credit card with the minimum payment, because you guys are going to mess up and I don't want you guys to mess up. So make sure you guys have auto pay set up. Make sure it's on an account that always have money, because if you guys was to set up auto pay, I see this all the time, some people set up auto pay on their accounts, and when you guys set up auto pay on your account, if they try to go and get that money and the money is not there, they're going to try to close your account, and you don't want that to happen. Capital One is big on that too, where they'll close your account. If you say go get the money and the money is not there when they go and get it, they're going to try to close your account. So just make sure that you guys are being responsible and you guys are using account that always have money. And I know some people are like, Rahita, do we really have to go through this? Yes, we have to talk about this, because I remember having these struggles, and we're talking about a secure credit card. We're not going to Bank of America saying, hey, give me $10,000 of your money to borrow. We're talking about, hey, I'm going to give you up to $5,000. If I do good, give me my money back, and let me start using your money to spend. And with that, it just shows that we just need some credit training. So definitely make sure you keep your balance low and set up that auto pay. Now, I do like that you guys have the digital wallet. Like, I love my digital wallet. I always ask, can I scan it? Do you guys have Apple Pay? Do you guys have Apple Pay? I just love that. I like that you can have all your cards there. But they actually have that they actually have that with the secure credit card, and then you guys will also get online banking and mobile banking. And if there's anything that's happening with your account, they're definitely going to let you know, because you guys are going to get the account alerts, and you can set up where you can get alerts in your email, or you can get alerts in your text messages. And you don't forget, you have to actually opt in for that FICO credit score, but you guys do definitely have access to it. If for some reason you wanted to get this credit card, you probably got negative accounts on your credit reports, or maybe you just trying to find a credit card you can get, and you just figure like this would be one of the great credit cards you can get, then definitely get it. But contact me, sign up for my exclusive membership. Let's see what we can do to boost your credit score higher. I have a dollar trial on it. Sometimes I tell people, hey, you have some inaccurate and incomplete accounts, you probably need to get that removed from your credit reports. That can help you boost your credit score. Sometimes I just tell people to pay down some of their credit cards, and that can actually help them increase their credit score. It really just depends, but I hope that you guys will actually get approved for this credit card. If you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. Let me know anytime. You can call or text us. We definitely here for you guys. And check out these other videos that YouTube think that you may like. They know exactly what we like, you guys. Like, for real, they know what we like. So check out these other videos, because they think that these videos may be something that you may be interested in. So check them out, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.